About 2 years ago, I fell at work a couple of steps, injured my leg and my knee. The light fixture was to get fixed, never got fixed. And I went to their clinic to see what was going on, and was off of work for 2 weeks. So just wondering, what is the statute of limitation of which can you sue? I mean, now my knee is bothering me. It's been about 18 months now.
Okay.
And you're having problems still?
Problem with the knee.
Okay.
Okay.
You want to take that one?
I mean, I'll be more than happy to. I know.
Go ahead.
Yeah. Well, and Jordan can follow up and tell me what I said wrong. But no, in a workers' comp situation, and this is very important to remember. You know, in a regular liability situation, such as a slip and fall at a grocery store, if you're a customer, or a normal car wreck, in the state of Alabama, your statute of limitations is 2 years, and that's no ifs, ands, or buts. It's 2 years from the date of that accident, and if you wait after that time, your claim is over. You're barred forever from being able to file that claim. But however, in a workers' comp situation, it's 2 years from the date of the accident, or 2 years after you receive your last workers' comp check. In other words, if you've been out of work for 2, 3, 4 weeks, you may be receiving a check from your employer or your employer's workers' comp company for 66 2/3% of your average weekly wage. And so the statute of limitations in a workers' comp case is from 2 years from the date of the accident, or 2 years from the last check that you received. And so, Murphy, I'm not sure if you received the check, but if you did, that last check is when your 2 years time starts running. Otherwise, you've got 2 years from the date of the accident.
All right, and on the flip side, you're looking at it from the business owner's perspective. You've got a hurt employee.
He's exactly right. It's 2 years, but there's also a notice requirement, Murphy. So, you know, at some point there are some 2 notice requirements that you have to give about a workplace injury. And the only other thing I'll add, it is 2 years from the date of the injury or date of last payment of compensation. And while that can be a workers' comp check under Alabama law, there are other types of payments under the Workers' Compensation Act that can constitute compensation, which can toll the statute a little bit longer. So you'll definitely want to talk to a workers' compensation attorney.